Profit NX provides excellent features for stock and inventory management of your business. To understand it in detail, let's try to take one example of electronic goods retail store. Usually such stores require profitability from different business lines like home appliances, computers and accessories, communication devices, security systems like that. Such categories can be termed as trading accounts in Profit NX. Under each of such trading accounts, various product groups can be opened, for example, air conditioners, audiovisual equipments, food processors under home appliances. The whole picture would look like this. We have home appliances, we have ACs, audiovisual equipments, food processors, things like that already available. Now under each of the groups there can be various products, something like this. Under air conditioners you can have a window or a split AC, or in case of audiovisual equipments you can have television, home theater and so on and so forth. Now this is what is offered by most of the solutions, but is that enough for any businessman? It is not. Actually, any businessman would require much detailed stock and sales details. Like, for example, if you are dealing in product called television, you need actually to know your stock or sales based on brand, type and size. Not only that, you may like to know, how many televisions of LG that you have sold which are LED and which are 42 inches in size, or other way around, how many you have in stock which are 42 inches, of them how many are plasma, how many are LCD, LED and pertaining to which particular brand. Similarly, if you are dealing in refrigerators, you would like to know various kinds of information like how many brands based on brand, type which is single door, double door and the various capacities of refrigerator. So essentially you need lot of information which is known as classification in case of Profit NX. Profit NX offers up to 10 classification, and such stock can also be maintained based on location. For example, brand, type, size are classifications. You have various locations like your showroom, go down, and this is how your stock statement can come. Television, LG, LED 29 inch, in which location and how many pieces. Now when you take a group or make a group of these classifications, that LG, LED 42 inches, you can define one stock keeping unit or SKU, and for every of such SKU you can also create a barcode. So this is how Profit NX gives you excellent options to maintain your inventory in the software. Now let's just have a look at it from the point of view of how this is available in the software. In the housekeeping option, you have Product Master. In the Product Master you've got option for adding classifications as well as classification values. You have location, you have SKU master. Now once you define all this, plus you have multiple units available, you can go to Product Master and add one by one products, and whichever classifications are applicable in each of the products can be maintained over here. Here you may please also note that you can enter the opening stock details about each product, and you can also update the rates during sales and purchase entries. You can maintain the stocks based on reorder quantity, minimum quantity, maximum quantity, and you can also maintain the purchase and sales accounts while you create the product. Now once all the products are created, here we have taken the example of tiles manufacturing company. Now I'll just show you how based on this classifications you can get excellent analysis of your sales and stock. Let's look at the sales analysis first for the current year. Here in front of you is a screen which shows that my sales of vitrified tiles is, in terms of quantity, it is 2,35,492, and in terms of value it is 9,21,36,472. Now this information is not enough for me. I need more information. For example, I need of this total sales, what is my, let's say, grade wise sales, common, premium, standard 2. So here comes the grade wise sales in front of you. Now this is also not enough for me. Amongst the grades, I want the size wise information, that in common 600 by 600, how much of sales in terms of quantity and sales amount, and 605 by 605, what is the quantity and amount sold. Not only that, but I can also select design number, that in particular product, in particular grade, in particular size, which design number has been sold in which quantity. Correct? This is the kind of information I can get because the stock and inventory management has been in a very detailed manner in this product. Well, there is another way to look at it. Because this is sales, I may like to know that of the total sales, how much is city-wise sales. So I'll get information about what is the sales in Agartala and Agra and Ahmedabad and Chandigarh and like that. From the city, I can further analyze that in Ahmedabad, party-wise sales that I can get from here, that which party has sold how many numbers. Now in the party, I can have again grade, that okay, Taj Tiles Agra, how many of common 3, how many premium, how many standard, and in grade I can also further go down to size. It alright, of this, which sizes have been sold by them. Look at this, Agra, Taj Tiles, and I will have all the information. This is about sales. Similarly, I can get all the analysis for my stock and inventory on the similar lines. Let's say I have chosen vitrified tiles. My total closing quantity is 21,244. I can just go back and put it on grade wise, and then I can put it on size wise, and maybe I can also put it category wise, and I can put it the design number wise. Correct? Or this order I can change. I can start with category, then I can add, for example, design into that, and I can go to size. Of course will come before the design, so I can do it the either way that I want to know my stock. So stock and inventory management gives you all these features in Profit NX.